Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making easy, quick beef vegetable soup because we're going to be using fresh ingredients and also canned. So let's do this. Be sure to cook. I'm going to start off with getting my vegetables prepped and ready to go before we get our meat on. So I'm going to be using some celery. I'm going to use about 3 stalks of celery. I'm just going to cube these. Okay, now I found an easier way. These are baby peeled carrots, or the whole carrots. I cut off both of the ends and I took off the rest of it. And I'm just going to cut this because I want this in chunks. Now it's time for me to prep my potatoes. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 potatoes. So I'm going to peel these. Okay, now I've got my potatoes and I am going to slice these, in cubes. Okay, so I'm putting these into my rinser. So I'm going to rinse these. This is Angus beef, like beef tips. We're going to cut these down to a nice size of chunk of beef. That pan on a medium high, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add a tablespoon of chopped garlic inside that pan. Wow, look at that. Yeah. So we're just going to transfer that meat into this pot. So we're doing a pot. It's going to be a 1 pot look. Okay, my meat is cooking. Now, we got it in this pan before I stir it. I'm going to start adding some seasonings. So I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash, a big old bay leaf. I need some thyme. Paprika going on here. Just a little paprika. Pepper. Then I'm going to shake up a little of garlic powder. Chunks of celery. Going to throw those bad boys inside here. Now, I'm going to get to stirring all this meat up. Got all that in there. And we're going to let this cook for a couple hours. I'm using a low sodium beef broth. So I'm going to be adding 3 cans of this beef broth into my beef, and we're going to let this simmer and cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm pouring 1 can of the beef broth in here, pouring the 2nd can of beef broth, the 3rd can of beef broth, and then I'm going to add a can of water. So I'm going to fill this can up with water, and I'm going to add water to this can. And a can of water. And I am going to let this simmer. Okay, while that's still simmering, I'm going to add some of those onions into the pot. Got a can of regular cut green beans. In another strainer, I'm straining my corn. And then the green beans, I also got 2 cans of green beans, 3 cans of each. So I got 3 cans of green beans, 2 cans of corn. Now I'm using some diced tomatoes. Okay, it has been about 30 minutes since this is cooked, and it's cooked down a little bit. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna pour all this meat and all of this into the strainer. Okay, I'm gonna add that celery. We're gonna add the rest of those great chopped onions that we had, add back into that bay leaf that was already in that meat. We're gonna put everything back in this pan. Because that was cooking for 30 minutes, we're gonna add all of our carrots in there. 1/4 teaspoon of chopped garlic. And I'm stirring all these vegetables. That beef that still was cooking. Look at that, yeah. Adding back in all this beef broth. Look at that. Oh, that's great. I'm adding a teaspoon of beef baste in here. It's like a bouillon cube. This is what this is. And it's so great. 2 more cans of beef broth. I got a lot of corn and green beans. Some of the corn and the green beans with the tomatoes. There we go. Okay. And we've been cooking all the vegetables and all the soup, and the beef is kind of breaking apart and it's tender. And there it is. There's the beef vegetable soup. and it's got everything. It's got, I like beef. Don't you hate you get that beef vegetable soup and it's got more vegetables than it does beef? Well, I want it even. So I've got plenty of beef and plenty of vegetables, and this is done. So let's plate this up. Okay, we've got our soup over here, and I put it up underneath the hot pad thing so it can cool off, and it's just now cooling off. Okay, I'm gonna get me out a couple of good old saltine crackers here. I got, oh, still hot. Stir this up, make sure you get all this. It is gonna be delicious. Look, I'm getting everything in here. I'm getting a little bit of beef. Get you some juice. Oh, your beef vegetable soup. Maybe not too much juice, but just enough. Oh, there we go. Okay, guys, here it is. Beef vegetable soup. These are the vegetables of my choice, but you can use any vegetables that you like of your choice. Saltine crackers, you can get any crackers you want. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's make many more of these home-warming dishes. Come back next time where we can make another dish that you'll love just like you love this. Bye.